Okay guys, welcome again in a new lesson, how to add an item to desktop. We finished how to add a new item to desktop context menu or desktop background menu, this one context menu, how to add a new item and like that. So we'll learn before how to add item, but now in this video we'll learn how to add a new item to any item, any icon. If we want to make a new command for a new item like file, firstly you have to know there is many kind of file or icon. The icon could be a file, could be a program like this, could be an icon. The icon also could be an file like text file, and also could be a folder like that, and so on. Folder, program, shortcut like that. So if we want to add to any file, this for example this context menu, right click on this file, control, we'll find this is the context menu for a file. How to add a new item here? How to add a new item here to this file? Inside the registry, open this one. At the first hive, let's collapse all items expanded before. Okay, let's make it like that. So if you want to add a new menu, new item to any file menu, it's different than the desktop context menu, right? If we add a new item here, it's different than any file context menu. This is file context menu. We can add some command to be applied to this file. Okay, so how can we add a new item here in this file? Let's make it like this. And at the first hive, it's very simple. Just concentrate with me. Only this asterisk. Inside this asterisk means all kind of files. Only files, not folders. It's only files like this. Okay. So under shell always we always add new item inside shell. So inside this shell we will add a new item here. We'll name it, for example, this is file. Okay. We'll name it file. Okay. So if we right click here on this item, we'll find, let's search for this file come or not. Let's concentrate, it's already here. See how to add this file? Just let's give it icon for CMD icon, because this is the nearest one to my brain now. Icon for CMD, double click cmd.exe to be clear. Iconic things are always clear for us. So right click, it will be appear here. So if I right click on the desktop, I will not find this file. The file I added now, it's only for file location. Any file we can add any new item to any file. So I can add it here under shell. I can add a new item. Okay, if I created a new key and I call it file 2, and also at the right side I give it an icon for CMD. I name it icon. So this is the same, cmd.exe. So this is for file, right click, this is file, and this is file 2. Okay, I can name it file 1. Okay, and this is file 2. This is only for file. How to add a new item to file? It's like this. So I'll choose asterisk, under asterisk shell, under shell, this is file 1, and file 2 I created. So I can give a new key and name it command to run any command for this file. Okay, this is small things we learned in this lesson, so I don't want to be a big lesson. It's only small tips for you to know how to add a new item to any file, only file. So this file 1 only for any file, but if I go to folder, right click on the folder, I will not find anything here. Folder, also application, right click, because the application is a file. See, that's why we added here. Any file I created, right click, file 1, file 2, because this is a file. Okay, only file means one item like this, but folder different. Folder is different one. See, I will not find this at the desktop. File 1, file 2 is not displayed. For the folder, I cannot find this one. Also for drive, any volume for this, right click, file 1 and file 2 not here. Right click for this one, I cannot find the new item file 1 and file 2, because this is related to only files. So if we want to add a new item for any file, it will appear only, it will be displayed only on the file context menu. Any file context menu, right click, you will find file 1, file 2. Any program, application, file 1, file 2, because this is a file. File means an icon, okay, but not folder, not volume, right? This is the lesson for today, how to add a new item to any file. Only file, not folder, not desktop background. Desktop background not appear, not display this file 2 and file 1. Also folders, it's not displayed, cannot be displayed on the folder context menu. Only file. Any file you can find this one. This one could be any command can be applied to this file. So if I give it command for this new items, so it will be applied to the selected file like this. So we will learn later more and more. This is for today. The today lesson is finished. We reached to the end of the video. So thanks very much for watching this video, and goodbye.